In this WPX hosting discount tutorial, we go over how to get a WPX coupon code saving you money on your WPX WordPress hosting purchase. By following along with me in this WPX promo code tutorial, you know how to save money on your WPX WordPress hosting purchase so you don't have to pay a higher price for your WPX hosting. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to take advantage of the WPX hosting discount. The discount is automatically applied. You get WPX hosting for as low as $20.83 a month, which includes 2 months free. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. We do not receive a commission from WPX hosting at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome WPX discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the WPX hosting page. You'll see WordPress plans and WooCommerce plans. Click the WordPress plans button. You'll now be on the WPX Manage WordPress hosting page. You'll see you'll get 2 months free by choosing WPX's annual plans. The 2 months is deducted from the yearly cost, which brings the total as low as $20.83 a month. If I click monthly, you'll see each of the plans will cost you more. To get the best WPX discount, you want to select the yearly option. The business plan you'll get for $20.83 a month. The plan comes with up to 5 websites, 15 GB storage, 200 GB bandwidth, up to 5 GB RAM, up to 15 PHP workers, 1 CPU core. The professional plan you'll get for $41.58 a month. The plan comes with up to 15 websites, 30 GB storage, 400 GB bandwidth, up to 15 GB RAM, up to 45 PHP workers, and 2 CPU cores. The Elite plan you'll get for $83.25 a month. The plan comes with up to 35 websites, 60 GB storage. When it comes to gigabyte bandwidth, there is no limit, but a reasonable use limit will be applied at the discretion of WPX. The plan also comes with up to 35 GB RAM, up to 105 PHP workers, and 3 CPU cores. Click the Buy Now button on the plan you want to select. On the next page, you can enter a domain name if you already have one, or choose I am launching a new website, and you can input the domain name that you'd like to have. Next, you want to select your hosting location. Next, input your information under Sign Up. You'll see your order in total over on the right hand side. There's no WPX promo code you need to enter, as you are getting the WPX discount of 2 months free by going with the yearly term. Next, choose your payment method. Click the Checkout Now button to proceed with your payment. That is all there is to it. Enjoy your WPX coupon code discount so you can save money on your WPX WordPress hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WPX hosting tutorial videos.